So, are we ready with the slides? Yeah. All right. Every good presentation in defense needs a Sun Tzu quote, and we have actually two. So you're in luck. It's going to be a good one. Warfare is based on deception. This isn't a claim made by a vague historical individual. It's, in our view, a matter of historical fact. If you go back to ancient China, they had illustrations of a battlefield which has similar components to modern battlefields. You have soldiers, very arms against each other, you have formations, you have weaponry, and such. But as warfare progresses, deception that can be used in that environment cannot be used here. With rifles and tanks, deception too much must proceed. This is the Ghost Army, the original modern deception tool. It's an inflatable tank that the Allies deployed, and it managed to fool the enemies. It worked. But in the modern landscape with civilian tooling, drones, you need a decoy system that functions here. And that's our question. More precisely, how do you make a Ghost Army today?
Thank you, Mika. So, there are multiple ways. Our way is to have a little remote control. So here the antenna, and connect some effector to the remote control. So in this case, it's a phone, but it could be some MCU, some software-defined radio, etc. So in our demo here, we have an Android application that's controlling the phone and can, for example, switch on or switch off the cellular network of the phone. It can make phone calls and send some traffic so that it actually looks interesting in SIGINT. Mika over there has a demo, so please, if you can send me a command. All right, we got a command, and right now we send some traffic over Discord. Sorry for the people in the front row, you're not gonna see it as it's so small, and no chance in the back, but there is some message. I can confirm that.
So our concept is to lay all of these nodes in a large area, and we would place these close to the front line. When the time is right, we use the command to activate the LoRa sensor to activate these nodes in a specific way to simulate movement. From the point of the enemy, they will see that something is moving, and they will be forced to investigate, hopefully giving the friendly forces some sort of opening to attack, for example. But we don't need to constrain ourselves only with cellular networks. We can use this type of concept to activate other types of decoys, infrared, audio, smoke screens, or any other type of electromagnetic spectrum. So, the next Sun Tzu quote is, "Who wishes to fight must first count the cost." So we have estimated that one of these nodes would cost somewhere between 50 and 200 euros, and the cost of single deployment would be somewhere between 4 to 17,000 euros. And you can see that we're aiding in this type of asymmetrical warfare, where from the enemy side, we are wasting their resources, their manpower, intelligence, drone operating time, even maybe artillery, and from the friendly side, we give them new opportunities for strategies, and for example, aiding with evacuation missions.
Right, so the question to you, we believe if this is not reality now, it will be reality at some point. So some sort of device like this will be deployed. And the question is, would you like to help us bring this to reality? If so, we have formulated some steps on how we will proceed with testing this solution. We're interested, well, right now we've almost built the prototype completely. There are some, of course, rough patches to reach out, but it's nearing completion. And after this, we will have to go to real terrain, hopefully with real professionals, some of you guys, potentially, and see how this works, how it is perceived, and how individuals react to it when it is deployed. And then, of course, the whole battle testing, but we're not there yet. Thank you.
Thank you. And for the third pitch is Arya winning son. So welcome them on stage.